Hello to all the viewers from all over the world. Okay, today I want to share with you another breakfast, and this time we are having a breakfast which is called Roti Canai, or I can call it pressed bread in English. Okay, it is made of flour and then it is pressed into something which is very thin, and then it is flapped over and over, and it is fried on both sides. It is eaten with some curry mixed with lentils and with potatoes, and it is very tasty because we can have it still hot from the pan. So this is how it is made. Okay, you can see the lady there. Okay, she is making roti canai, and this is the situation in the shop. Okay, that's it for today. Maybe we have another video tomorrow.
Masih